finally back here. So today is like 10 a.m. I said 10 a.m. 10 p.m. right now. Like 10:45 right now. 10:45 p.m. right now. And I'm hungry. So I was like, what should I eat? I want something fast, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to cook anything crazy. So I was thinking like, what can I eat? Then I was like, okay, now I can eat some noodles. Then I was like, dang, noodles is not that good for me. It's not healthy enough. You know what? Maybe I can add broccoli to it. How about that? Maybe I should add broccoli to it. Maybe broccoli is gonna make it more healthy. I mean, a little bit healthy, you know what I'm saying? Not healthy. But yeah, I'm gonna make some noodles with broccoli. That's what I'm gonna make today. Normal noodles. Let's see how it goes. This is my first time making it, so hopefully it goes good. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it goes good. But I'll just let you guys see what I'm doing at late at night. It's late as fuck. I'm hungry. I don't know why. I eat a lot, man. I eat a lot. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I'm gonna make my broccoli noodles, and I hope it's good though. I hope it comes out good. So right now, I got my broccoli right here. Let me so you guys can see. Got my broccoli. Let me set the camera good so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. I think this is good enough. Cool. I got my broccoli. I got 3 eggs, so this is what I'm gonna be cooking. So we're gonna cook the broccoli first. So just put this aside so you can see. Oops. Then I can normally I wash my egg before I put it in my water, because I don't know if that egg is nasty or not before it was put in the fridge. And normally in Nigeria they say if the egg is shaken, right now the egg is shaken, they said the egg is not good, but you know what, whatever. To noodles. So I'm gonna let it cook.
5 minutes later.
I'm gonna put my noodles in it. I haven't added any seasoning in it. So what kind of noodles is this? This noodle, but look at this. This part is cut off. Coronavirus make these noodles lean. Look at that. Come on now. Who made these noodles? Oh. So I'll let my noodles cook for like 3 to 4 minutes before I start adding my seasoning.
A few inches later.
Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. So I just added my my noodles flavor, the seasoning. I just added into it. And I will add some butter into it. Just to let you guys see, this is kind of butter I'm using. Mix it together. I shouldn't have added too much of water in it. but here I am. So watery. I don't like my noodles being plain, so I might just add so it can be a little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy, spicy, spicy.
Then hey guys, so the noodles is done. So let me show you guys the end result of the noodles buckling. Okay. Where's my bucket? So this is gonna look like. You see the water is dry. The egg should be fine too. So guys, this is what it looks like. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you like that video, make sure you guys thumbs up, like, share, subscribe.